अब बहुत हूँ, हाँ? आया इसी समय तो चाल बतियाने लगा ना दीदी।
चाल का सवाल नहीं है, दारू पी के चलता है, आदत है भाई। सब चीजें नाम है इसका।
बढ़िया तो है हवा हवाई। ये कैमरा भी है।
वो कैमरा है।
ठीक है भैया।
हाँ ठीक है।
He has no idea that he will be on my channel. हवा हवाई। अरे यार ट्रक कहाँ घुस रहे हो भाई, खुद तो जाओगे नहीं, हमको भी नहीं जाने दोगे आज था। हाईवे में भी ऐसा करना पड़ता है। What the fuck? चलो भाई साहब, चलिए चलिए, रुकिए रुकिए, चलिए। Now also, what would you expect on a 150cc bike, man? I am riding at 100 and that is good enough for 150cc bike. You know, someone died on my helmet. Ah! If I can find good road, I can even maintain speed over 100 and 110. But you know, this road is not worth speeding up on 110 and plus speeds, because lots of surprise elements, and I don't like the surprise the elements. Some kids and lots of villages, cow, dog, sometimes speed breaker on a highway. I don't know why people build them on highway. So I don't likes the surprise, the elements. Bullet, hey Bullet Diaries, I wanted to ride with you. Maybe somewhere in life I may ride with you. Let's see. Step by step, you know, you have to cross step by step. If you think that you will cross all 4-5 trucks at a time, you are endangering your life. Abe, the borders, the boundary is almost fluctuating, man, and it is loaded with cylinders. Final destination, nah. सबको ओवरटेक करना है भाई, सबको ओवरटेक करना है। बढ़ाओ के गाड़ी आगे। अरे यार, whenever I see these kind of trucks, always one movie that came in my mind is Final Destination, and literally मेरी फार हो जाती है। मौसम is again getting awesome. I wish I had a Ninja 650. That is, I think, is the proper sports tourer for me. Maybe not for others, but for me, yes, that is kind of ideal bike for me. My brother just fueled up his Apache and now we will ride towards Korba. We are leaving Bilaspur. 30-40 रुपये होगा। हाँ चलना आगे आगे. I will not ride too fast because my brother is in Apache. Apache can also do high speed, but you know it is like a vibrator. That's why. So my brother is getting some money from ATM because we will eat our lunch on what happened. But ATM is not working. I don't know where ATM is, so I will follow him. क्या देख रही हो आंटी? We are heading towards Central University, Bilaspur for ATM. Look at my bike, how it's looking. हैं? चलना आगे चलना. I decided to follow my brother, not to lead, because Apache is kind of vibrator, and if I will carry my speed, he will be going to suffer a lot. That's why we are riding at 65-70. That is Apache 160, not 180, so don't expect so much speed from that bike. Patches roads are worst. Yesterday I also faced so much problem due to patches on the road. They give jerk to the bike every time you hit the patch. पहनने के लिए होता है भाई, अब नहीं पहनना तो हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, तुम जियो मरो, अपने को क्या भाई. मौसम इज़ नाइस, weather is nice, cool. It's 1 in the afternoon, still no problem due to weather. It's nice. कहीं भी चल. So we decided to take food over here in the dhaba. क्या हुआ? उधर खड़ा करना है क्या? So we are approx 15-20 kilometers away from our home, and we are staying in the shed, because as you can see there is rain is spoiling our ride. अभी कम हो गया, थोड़ा ज़्यादा गिर रहा था. So हाँ बंद भी हो गया. So we will be leaving soon because the rain is almost stopped now. Just our bike will be look very beautiful after riding on such roads, which is already looking very good in after riding some कीचड़ वाला road. Rain is stopped now, as you can see. Oh sorry. So we are leaving that side towards our home. So we have swapped our bikes. Now I'll be riding RTR. Comfortable seat. Ha 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 ha. The only problem in this bike is of vibrations. If TVS can manage with the vibration, this is very good bike. And that's my bike. The RPM is just 5,000 and rest 9,000 are left behind to rev, but due to vibrations, you know, it's good to be in 5 to 6,000 range, that is kind of vibration free. Above that and below that, that is a problem. When the bike was new, this bike Apache was new, I used to ride this bike at 90 and 100. You know that at that time there was no vibration, but now it's a different case. But the gear shift is butter smooth, you know, on Apache. On Gixxer, gear shifts are cut, and on Apache gear shift are but vibrations are on my foot pegs, on my foot and on my hand. My butt is relaxing in this seat, you know. The seat of Gixxer is ouch, and the seat of Apache is ouch. Nice cushioning on Apache seat. Okay, I will give you third angle view of my bike, how it's looking, how it looks. क्या रास्ता चल पीछे पंचायत बैठा के रखे बीच रोड में. So we are almost reaching our home. This is another colony, and again rain is starting. What should we do? अरे यार, मेरे भाई ने भी ना रियर व्यू मिरर्स निकाल दिया है खड़ी. He needs new set of tires. Tires are losing grips. Rain again, kind of shower. It's better to stop because I record in my mobile. Kasam. Sometimes you have to develop ABS inside your brain. When you notice that your tire is going to be skid, leave the brake and then again grab.